Hi guys, how's it going? It's Marky. Woo! I'm at Typhoon Lagoon. Oh my god. This is the wave pool here in Disney World. They have another one called Blizzard Beach, but this one is Typhoon Lagoon. And it's pretty awesome. It's a lot of fun. Thought you guys would like to enjoy some of this. Let me start walking in. See how far I can get. Don't want to go too far because I don't want the camera to get ruined. I might splash a lot. Okay, I don't know why. Look, picture looks a little crooked, right? Come on. There we go. All right, I fixed it. Sorry about that. I just look and I see the picture's crooked. Wow, it's nice. Very nice. Wow, let me try that zoom real quick. And it's not working right now. I have like a quick zoom where you click and it quickly zooms in and then it'll zoom back out. Doesn't seem to be working. Oh man, here comes the wave. I might have to run out if it's too big by the time it gets over here. I haven't been in yet. I just got in because there was a storm. Once we got here, there was a storm, and they don't let you in the water when there's lightning. So we had a lot of lightning. Oh wow, here it comes. Whoa! Whoa! Wow, that's pretty cool. I got my water socks on. You see, I got my water socks on. Whoa! Gotta be careful, you can get your camera wet here. Yeah, I better not go deeper because I'll get all wet. Wow, isn't that cool? It's so fun, man. Especially when you're in the water and you can like ride the wave or just like dive into it and go under. You can just like, bam, go right under. But there's so many people here because it's a big one, man. A lot of people left when the rainstorm started, so it actually kind of emptied out now. Oh, look at that little wave coming. Tiny little wave making its way all the way up here. There it goes. Little wave, not too bad, not too bad. Let's see if it straightens out. Yeah. Nice. I want to get a little closer, but I gotta run when the wave lets loose. Oh, here it comes. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to run. I'm gonna have to run. Oh no, I'm gonna get knocked down. Oh man, I'm gonna run now. I'm running. Oh! Wow! You can feel it pulling your legs. It's like wants to knock you down. So cool though. I had to run. Hey baby, Eva's here with me. Eva, what'd you think? It pushes you, right? It's pretty strong. It's really strong. It'll push you. Oh man, but so fun. I could spend a lot of time here just having fun, running away from the wave, then jumping into the wave, trying to boogie board. I mean, what do you call that? Body surf? Kind of like imagine I have a boogie board with me and body surf. That'd be fun. Oh man, there's a little area here where it goes up. Look at the waves coming in. Oh, that's cool. Oh man, I love it. Love it, man. This is great. I'm gonna have to run now when that wave comes. The camera goes crazy when I run, I think. Yeah, I can't go any deeper. I won't have time to run away. Can't go too deep. Oh man, here it comes. You hear all the people screaming? When it goes woof. the wave releases and everybody starts screaming. Oh my God, here it comes. Here it comes, oh my God, I'm going. Whoa! Woo! Okay, I didn't fall. Look, there's Eva. You only got your toes, babe. You're safe. Give us a wave, babe. That was cool. You can feel it. You can feel it. I'm pulling you now. It's like pulling the water in. You can feel it, man. If you're not like standing pretty steady, it'll knock you down as you go. As you stand around here or around this area. Here's one of the lifeguards. There's another one all the way up there, and another one, and two more up there. Oh man, it's pretty cool. I love it. So much fun. There's so many things you can do in Disney World, right? So many things. This is great. What a way to spend the summer. Now we're gonna have to probably hit one of these days, hit Typhoon Lagoon. Now that we made it all the way to Typhoon Lagoon, I mean Blizzard Beach. What am I talking about? Blizzard Beach. We gotta make our way to Blizzard Beach. We gotta. I'm sorry, guys. I'm tongue-tied. We gotta make our way to Blizzard Beach one of these days. All right, I got it out. Oh man, here it comes. Oh my God. I can't. I'm going backwards. I can't be there. It's gonna knock me over. It's so strong. Wow, look at all the people getting getting knocked over or shoved around. Here it comes. This should be all right. Should be all right here. Woo. Whoa, that's awesome. I'm loving it. That's pretty awesome. I want to go over there all the way to the front, but I can't. I can't with this camera. It's not waterproof. Whoa, look how wild it gets. Look at that. Wow, see the water popping up? Splashing up into the air? That's cool. Look at that. Wave action, wave action. Where's our surfboards when we need them? Need a couple of surfboards now. Oh man, total fun, total fun. All right, let's see how deep I can go before it decides to shoot another wave this way. I'll have to like run. Oh man, this is so great. I'm in pretty deep now. Well, about before my knees. Not too deep. Not as deep as you think, not before my knees. But oh my God, dude. I just want to run when it comes because I feel like it's gonna knock me down. I don't want to be too close, it'll knock me down. You can feel it, man. It really pushes your body, your legs. It hits your legs and it really pulls you. So you can go under or tip over, or you can body surf. Just go for it and body surf. Oh my God, here it comes. You hear the people scream? Look how big that wave is. Oh my God, that's a big one. Oh man, I'm going. I'm running. There it is. Woo! Oh my God. That was fun. Look at that, sideways action right here. Look at that, water comes from the sides. Wow, that's pretty fun. Water starts coming from the sides and everything. Wow. Oh man, I'm enjoying it. So let's see what it says over here. Strong waves occur at any time. Please hold small children by the hand. Caution. Double caution. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm running out of breath just from running. Well, I've been at it all day, guys. I've been all day doing all kinds of crazy things out here in Disney World, having too much fun. So I'm already a little tired. We got about an hour to go. They close at 8. It's close to 7 p.m. already. So don't have too much longer. We're gonna have to go in a little while. But It's been a blast, except for the rainstorm with the lightning that didn't let us come inside to the pool, you know. We had to like stay out of the water. All the pools, all the slides, they have a lot of slides here and tons of areas. Oh my God, here it comes. Here it comes. You think I can stand through it? I'm gonna go back a little bit. I'm gonna go back a little bit because I don't think I can withhold, you know, hold my body up with that force that's coming. Oh my God. Oh my God, here it comes. Whoa! Woo! All right, I didn't fall. Look at that. I didn't even fall. But I could feel it pushing really hard. I had to like, kind of like spread my legs a little bit to, whoa, it's still hitting me pretty hard on the legs. Yeah, it hit me pretty hard here. Whoa. There come more waves, look. More waves, more waves. Little tiny ones. Just this pool is tons of fun. But if you want to have more fun, you can do the toboggan races. There's all kinds of slides. And I might get the names wrong because I confuse them with Blizzard Beach ones because I go to both parks and I can't remember which one goes with which one. There's just so many different slides. But I love the races. The toboggan races are really cool. They have these slides with inflatable tubes. You go really fast. It's pretty fun. Gotta love all those rides, man. So cool. Wow. I think what I can do is maybe walk in more before it does the swoosh. And then when it does the swoosh, I can start going to a safer area. It will knock me down and the camera will be no more. So you don't want that to happen because then you will have no videos. So that's what's happening. I gotta be careful. Now I'm really up to my knees. Look, I'm up to my knees now. Right below the knee. I might be too close right now. It might not give me enough time to go because it kind of slows you down when you try to run in this kind of knee-deep water right now. Now I'm for sure. My knees are about to go underwater. Yeah. Yeah, I might have to start walking. I'm gonna walk a little bit further back because that might not be good. See, I'm having a really hard time walking, so it'll probably be the same thing if I try to run. I'll probably splash too much. But yeah, you can see it's pulling water to throw another wave. It's gonna be shooting out one of those awesome waves now. What a beautiful evening here. Can't believe the day has gone by so fast. Already 7 p.m. Only one more hour of fun. We might go into the lazy river now also. I forgot to tell you, in case you haven't been here or never heard of this place, there's a lazy river that you can get in with a tube and float all around the park. It goes in a circle all around the park. And it kind of like does like a, you know, like a river. It goes that way, this way, and whatever. And you go under some waterfalls. You will get wet. I mean, you're pretty much wet just going in the lazy river. So we're gonna do that next. It looks like the storm has passed. I think the storm is gone, even though over there, you can see that's the part that looks darker. And then over here it looks much brighter on this side. Much brighter over here. And then even super brighter over here behind the boat, or the little ship or boat that's up there on top of the mountain or the volcano. Hey, it's taking forever to shoot out a wave. I'm surprised. Oh man, this is fun. Right after this one, I think I'm gonna go to the lazy river. I just don't know if I can film in the lazy river because this camera, if it gets wet, it gets ruined. This camera does have a gimbal and that's why it moves so weird and it gets crooked sometimes. Depends on the movement of your hand. It kind of like has a life of its own. But I love it. It's a great camera. I'm really enjoying this camera. So one of my favorite cameras I've ever had, and I started having cameras since 10 years old. My first camera was a Kodak 44 Instamatic, and then after that one I got the Canon A1. And after the Canon A1 I've had a ton of cameras. A ton of digital cameras. Tons of cameras. From Lumix to Canon. I've had a lot of Canon cameras because I always loved my A1, so when they started making digital cameras I kept buying Canon after Canon. They get ruined or you lose them and you get another one. So I have like a little collection, not really intended to collect cameras. I just wound up with, I don't like to throw my stuff away, so I wound up with a bunch of cameras that I have. Wow, I think they're done for tonight. There's no wave coming. I think it's over. think the wave machine broke. It looks like it broke. But this is fun. This is great fun. Loving it. I think we're done. I think we're done. It's been a long time, no waves. So I think, unless the machine is like on break or something, cooling down, maybe it gets overheated. It is a hot one today. I think we passed 95 today. It was saying it feels like 100 because it was pretty hot. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to check out all my other videos, guys. Go to my channel, Marky Mouse. Hit the videos tab. I have pool tours. I have fun bus rides. I have bus station videos. I have parades. I have Disney characters. Tons of firework videos. You will enjoy some of those videos if you check them out. I also have blogs that I do. All kinds of stuff. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. It's awesome to have you here. Don't forget, just like the video at least. And if you don't want to comment, just leave me an emoji in the comment box because the comments help a lot. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.